Hey viewers, welcome to Tip Tuesday and Travel Tuesday. I'm just going to teach you an important word that you should know for if you decide to travel to Italy and you want to take a bus or a shuttle bus. It's actually very important. You should always be mindful and always find out if the hotel or the place that you're staying at, whatever it may be, if they have airport shuttles. The word navetta simply means shuttle, navetta. So you could say navetta bus or bus navetta. Either way, they'll understand. When you land at an airport and when you use the word navetta, they'll understand that you need to get to your airport using a shuttle. So just make sure that if you're booking somewhere that stuff is included. And it's just a tip that you should always have so that you could save yourselves a lot of money, on taxis or ride shares or anything of that nature. So again, it's really important. Do your research ahead of time, and also be aware of your surroundings. I mean, it's pretty evident, and just always watch around you, and always make sure that you're packing what you have to pack. Just stay safe.